Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today let us make some delicious chicken roast. For this you need 3 big pieces of chicken breast that should be boneless and skinless, half a teaspoon lime juice and quarter teaspoon salt. All this goes for the first marination. Now for the second marination we need cayenne pepper 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon crushed black pepper, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon italiano, 2 tablespoons of thick curd, half a tablespoon of ginger paste and quarter cup mustard oil. But before we get started, don't forget to punch the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started with our first marination. Add lime juice and salt to the chicken breast and refrigerate it for 15 minutes. Here comes our second marination. In a bowl add cayenne pepper, salt. If you don't have cayenne pepper you can replace it with chili powder. Then garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of granulated onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, one tablespoon of Italiano blend seasoning, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Now add 2 tablespoons of thick curd, about quarter cup of mustard oil, half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Adding mustard oil prevents the marinade from drying and it even enhances the flavor. Make deep cuts on the chicken breast so that it marinates very well. Cover it up with a cling wrap and refrigerate it for at least 20 minutes. I'm using an iron skillet here to roast it. Here I preheated the pan on medium to low heat and seasoned it with 3 tablespoons of canola oil. You can even use avocado oil or any other oil. Make sure your oil handles high heat. There's a technique here to find out if the side is done or not. See, I'm trying to move it. It does not come out. That means it's still not done. I don't want to touch it until it's ready to flip. It takes about 2 minutes on each side, so keep checking it. See how beautifully it comes apart when it's ready. Food cooked in cast iron is very rich in flavor. It also imparts a small amount of iron in your food as you're cooking. So if cast iron isn't something you considered before, I hope you do it now for its health benefits. Once both the sides are roasted, turn off the heat, add a blob of butter and spread it all over. Toss it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. After it is done, just flip the chicken and let it rest on the pan for 5 minutes. Before you serve, just cut it into slices. Here our juicy chicken roast is ready. See how moist and tender it is from inside. I hope you liked my recipe. If so, please let me know in the comment box below. Don't forget to like my video. See you next time with yet another delicious recipe. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay safe.